Hey feds, I just want to warn you, when you come to one of our workshops, it's not boring. I know, imagine that. Talking about retirement benefits and it's not boring? What? Isn't that what we just expect out of all retirement benefit workshops? Well, no, it is not boring. You won't be bored. In fact, let me give you 2 comments, unsolicited comments that people just gave in our most recent workshop. This person said, wow, good to know. Never knew you could wait on SSA or invest. Can't wait to get and make sure I'm doing this right. I feel like such a newbie. Glad I came today. Thank you guys for opening up my eyes. Yeah, wonderful. Love that. Another person said, I feel so naive. So glad I came today. You guys gave a great presentation. So thank you, but it's not any good if you don't act on it. So we want you to come today. We want you to come to the workshop. We want you to learn and then go do something about it. So we'll keep you awake. We'll keep you engaged during the whole workshop. Just make sure you act on it. That is the most important part of the whole thing.